Last July I became the first person to climb the 7 summits, which is the highest mountain on each of the world's 7 continents, and stand on all 3 poles, being the North Pole, the South Pole and the summit of Mount Everest, in the same calendar year. In fact, I completed the challenge in under 7 months. The 737 Challenge was proudly supporting Marie Curie Cancer Care, and I'm proud to say that almost 3 years ago to the day, the project very much began in this room, in the Lime Green Tangerine office. And you know, not just the concept, but the success of the project was hugely down to the support that I've had from Lime Green Tangerine.
Richard's concept in itself was innovative. Our job was to develop a brand for the 737 Challenge, raise awareness of the campaign and create a following, help raise sponsorship, report Richard's progress to the public before, during and after the challenge, and initiate and come up with fundraising ideas. We developed the 737 website, which became the hub of the campaign, allowing us to inform and update visitors throughout the challenge. We tracked Richard's progress during each summit attempt and showed 5 fast facts about each leg of the challenge for educational purposes to embrace a younger audience. Richard updated us regularly on his progress throughout the challenge via a sat phone. This was relayed onto the website via a daily blog, sometimes including audio and video. Using Twitter, Facebook and email marketing, we were able to provide daily updates, sharing fundraising activities and other milestones. Personally, as an organisation, I suppose the screening of the BBC documentary, that was a particular highlight for us, and attending the welcome home ceremony that he received at the Senedd, that was equally really special.
My 77 Challenge has been an incredible roller coaster, and since returning last year, I'm very proud and privileged to have received accolades. I've been invited to meet the Queen, carry the Olympic torch. None more fitting though than to be recognised as Just Giving Celebrity Fundraiser of the Year award, ahead of the likes of David Walliams and Bob Wilson. And that's all down to the incredible work of Lime Green Tangerine.